Right, let's bash a hole in here. Got some nails, yep. Oh, oh, nice. Oh, but not that good. Okay. That's all right. Nail her up. Nail her up, Chuck. You see this gap here? What I do is I bandage that. It is above the water line. Always when you're doing a refurbishment like this, always take your sheets off. If you're leaving the cornice, people come down a bit, but make sure you're above the water line. And you're laughing. Life's a breeze. You know, like don't cut your sheet right through down here, sort of thing. Always be above. Then you bandage it off, waterproof it. You never get any water whatsoever. I'm semi nailing it off, and then I'll nail it off properly when I have them all up. Woodchuck. Okay, a couple of little bits in there, but I'll pop this in. Where's my tape? Where's the notepad? Right, just go 880. Doesn't have to be exact. 880. Don't make everything so tight. 800 or 795. 795 is better. Make things a little bit easier. You don't have to be tight all the time. 880 by 795. Let's do it. What I'll do here this time is I've sloped these with glue in the past. What I'll do is either I haven't got anything at the moment, but I'll probably cut a little bit of cement sheet, say like that wide, and I'll pop it at the back there, and that'll give me my slope. I could even I could even have it like that, nail it through there so there, and then that's all silicon, so it would be strong. And then I've got a good, but I might halve that distance. If I halve that distance, make it about 15 mil wide, then I haven't got full on slope like that. Yep, that's what I'll do. So then I've got my pre-made slope, and I'm not having to do things twice like I have a couple of times before. I've waterproofed it, then I've put glue on there to get my slope, and then I've waterproofed it again. Well, let's be a little bit clever this time, and I'll put the slope in now. I'll show you how soon. You'll see this. Here we go again. If you haven't subscribed, do this on the subscribe button. See? It's friggin' easy. Whooshka. I'm cutting this. It's gonna, that's for the inside of my niche. That's from the slope. I'll show you in a minute how that works. Okay, we'll just change the sausage, your sausage. Just like that. Cut just under the middle thingy-doodle, and you're good to go. See that? And what it does when you cut just under that metal thingy-doodle, that cover of the sausage fits into there, and it doesn't dirty the thread. If you get polyurethane on your thread, you're stuffed because you won't be able to undo it. If you dig what I mean. DIYs, that I'll use for an upright. That's that, so we'll slap that in. Fog it up. bog it up and it's there forever. Just like that, just like that. Top one. I use roughly seven sausages per bathroom, roughly. Where's my hammer? Look at that. A couple of hours time, it's there forever. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, one piece does too. I like the way you work, Resheet. You're onto it. Wally. Nah, it's all good. See, the couch potato's probably saying, he's done it again. He's got it round the wrong way. No, it doesn't matter. I've got to nail that off yet. Doesn't matter. If your sheet goes on that way or that way, it doesn't matter. It's all been waterproofed and tiled. Oh, I've made a mistake, people. I've got to fix that. Take that off for a sec. Go on, couch potatoes. Have a laugh. It doesn't matter. I'll show you what I've done wrong. But I noticed it before it was too late. I forgot my thingy. Which gives me my slope. You fool. Chriso, not paying attention. No, it's all good. Now, slap it in. Did you see what I've done there? I've put a piece of cement sheet in there. That there is too much slope for my tile. I won't be giving it that much, but for water to run off, yeah, give it heaps. I won't be giving it that much slope when I tile it. I've got to cut a little bit off, so I'll just get my grinder. Hold on a sec, I'll be back. Told you I would be when I said I'll be back. Cut a little bit off, allow from, oh, it's a bit severe. Didn't have to cut off that much. That's all right, bog it up. Okay, just a little. Right, that's good. See how that's all silicon? Now I'll be running around there, siliconing it all up. That'll be when I waterproof. Right, next stage, I'll cut those little bits and then I'll start nailing it off. I've got to put a piece in there. That's easy. I don't like these doors though, eh? God, I hate them. Give me the barn door any day. I reckon they're too flimsy. The cavity slider. In Australia they are called a cavity slider. And some Wally has put something into the wall. So what I've got to make sure, remember this, Chriso, that, where's my tape? That there is a cavity slider, so be careful when you're putting your screws in. But then I've got tile, so I'm out from that, and then it's it's well away from that door. So when I'm putting my tail rails up, the screws aren't that long that it goes and hits that door. Yeah, cool. See you soon.